Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're looking at how we find the volume of some odd shapes. So why are we not looking at an odd shape here? We're looking at a cube with sides of 5 meters, 5 meters and 5 meters, and we would normally find the volume of this by multiplying this by this by this. We could also multiply this by this by this. And the point I want to make is that while the volume of this is 125 meters cubed, one of the ways in which we can arrive at that is by finding the area of this face. And because the rest of the cube follows this shape exactly, all we have to do is, once we know the area of this, which is 25 meters square, we just multiply by the depth. Now, let's assume, for instance, that we knew that this was a cube and we knew the area of this face, which is 25. We could then multiply by 5 and we would get 125 meters cubed. That's the point I wanted to make. Now, I'm going to try and demonstrate that point with an odd shape. Now, this is the shape that you saw in the header with the measurements that were at the beginning of this video, and I've attempted to draw it. So what it is it's an odd shape that follows this line, and it is 2 meters. Sorry, that should be 2 centimeters. It is 2 centimeters deep, and it is exactly the same shape all the way down from the top to the bottom. And so in order to work out the volume of this seemingly impossible to calculate shape, if we know the area of the top surface here, all we have to do is multiply by the height. And therefore the volume of this is 5 centimeters squared times 2 centimeters, which equals 10 centimeters cubed. And that's really just the point I wanted to make. 5 centimeters squared times 2 centimeters squared gives us 10 centimeters cubed. The volume of this is the surface area of this flat area here multiplied by the height, because the one thing you can say about this is that while it's an irregular shape, it is that irregular shape all the way from its top to its bottom, and that is how you find the volume of some odd shapes. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.